for about $3 or $4. If it doesn't have the stamp on it, you put the stamp on. Alright, one more quick tip. You get free coffee all the time. Even if you don't like coffee, you take it for free. Yeah, from what I know, we are being interviewed by Cliff Yates for his Comedy Live podcast. Is that
Yeah, we got a show on Amazon, Comedians Talking Comedy, where I've been interviewing headliners all over the country.
Oh, I didn't know that. Look at that.
Yeah,
Amazon.
So this is second season. Comedians Talking Comedy. And I'll tell you, I'm so happy.
He's never made it to a second season.
Oh, man.
On anything.
Oh, my God.
I never thought of that.
No holds barred here.
Oh, my God. You guys
We don't hold back.
Hey, what do you think? Should we sit down or somewhere? Because we're going to have
I gotta
lavaliers.
sit. I'm fucking old. We made a headboard about a month ago, and we made the mistake of letting it sit in the shop, and it got bowed, so I'm taking the back braces off and replacing them or flipping them.
All right, a coffee shop around the block. Brought over these cool old chairs. Where are these chairs from?
Folsom Prison.
Allegedly, these chairs are from Folsom Prison. And they're pretty badass. They have badass wooden seats and backs. There you can see everyone is pretty much in half or in more pieces than that. Seat bottoms in their little jigs, glued up, nice and tight. Jimmy Diresta pro tip. All right, that's gonna end it for today. We got the chairs semi-done. We got the painted colorful table almost done. We just got to paste wax it. What else did we do? We got the headboard underway into straightening it out.
And interviewed.
And my father, John Diresta, got interviewed for a Amazon TV show.